Growing up, I loved exploring the woods near my home, but I noticed fewer animals each year. I joined a local wildlife conservation program where I learned about creating wildlife corridors. These are strips of natural habitat that connect isolated patches, allowing animals to move freely and safely. We planted native trees and shrubs, and soon wildlife returned. Seeing deer and birds thrive again was rewarding. This taught me that small actions can make a big impact. If you care about nature, consider volunteering for conservation efforts. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.